Howdy, folks. It's the start of the new year, and I want to know, have you set your goals and plans for your dance practice in 2023 yet? Setting your goals is hugely important. While practice for practice sake is useful, practice with a specific goal in mind is going to be revolutionary and really show you how directed action can help you achieve your goals more quickly and really advance your dance. So I would like to encourage you to set really smart, very specific, actionable goals for the new year. And to help you do that, I have created this fabulous resource, the 2023 Dance Goal Setting Workbook, which you can grab for free here. Now, let me tell you, whether or not you've set your goals, if you haven't, you definitely need it. And if you have, I'm going to encourage you to check this out anyway, because there are a lot of scientifically backed practices inside here that are going to allow you to create goals that are smarter and work harder for you in the new year. So download this, and filling it out is going to take you less than an hour. And what we're going to do is we're going to step through dreaming about all the possible goals that this year can bring to you, dance and otherwise. And then we're going to look at the why behind your dream. And the why, my friend, is incredibly important. It's not enough to just want something. But if you really drill down deep and understand why you want it, it's not only going to make it easier for you to achieve because it's going to keep motivating you throughout the tough times that are sure to come, but it's also going to allow you to focus in on really what it is that's driving you, which is going to help you create goals that make more sense for your life. And then after we look at the whys for these goals, we're going to look at how we phrase the goals and ways that you can phrase goals that make it much more likely that you are going to succeed. These aren't just SMART goals, folks. These are smarter goals. And within the course of this workbook, I'm going to show you how to phrase your goals in a way that's really going to excite you and get you to the finish line sooner. And we don't stop there. We're going to talk about how the systems that you put in place are incredibly important to being able to achieve these goals. So it's not just enough to say you want something. Almost everybody sets goals. The difference between people who achieve the goals and those who do not achieve the goals is the folks that have taken a moment to set in place systems to make those goals work better, right? You're going to set aside time to figure out the actions you need to take to develop the habits that are actually going to make reaching your goals way easier in the end. So we're going to talk about that a lot here, and I'm going to tell you all about what you can do to create habits more easily that are going to help lead you towards your goals. And then we're going to walk through step by step on how you can make this big, beautiful, exciting goal more manageable, not overwhelming, and really dive into how you create the next best step. How can you make one super easy action today that's going to make every action from here on out so much easier and help you get towards your goals quicker? And then the back of the workbook is filled with several ideas to really ensure your ability to succeed. And a lot of these are very easily implementable, and you're going to want to check them out because this kind of stuff is going to really supercharge your practice. So if you are ready to make 2023 the best year ever when it comes to your belly dance practice, I'm going to encourage you to go and download this now. You don't want to miss it, and you don't want to do it later. Do it now. Today is the day. SahiraBellyDances.com/2023, the number 2023, and you're going to be able to download this goal setting workbook and get ready to make 2023 the best year of dance you have ever had. I cannot wait to see you on the dance floor soon.